Hey everyone, here at Joe's Bikes. We have this 2019 Aprilia Tuono 1100 Factory Edition. I'm going to do a walk around video for you to give you an idea of the condition. This is a one owner bike and it's kept very well maintained. Super clean. Not much done to it. For the most part it's stock except for the tail tidy here or the fender eliminator kit. And this Aprilia exhaust, which looks and sounds awesome. Outside of that, this is just a clean Aprilia Tuono. Of course, with the factory edition, you have the Brembo brakes as well as the Olin suspension. Give you a close-up of that tire. They're like basically brand new. You can see the Olin suspension down there. We will fire this thing up. You can see the startup. This bike has 3,703 miles, as you can see there. We'll fire it up. Bike sounds unbelievable, especially at high RPMs. Has a really nice roar to it. Give you a close-up of the front and the lighting. And of course the tire is brand new. We have this bike listed at joesbikes.net for $13,999, and that's an out the door price. Let us know.